Hey everyone, welcome back to another video, and this video I'm going to talk about how to unfriend someone on Roblox. So let me directly get into a step. So the first one, as you can see, you should be logged into the roblox.com. So just search here for the Roblox. Now from here, you have to make sure that you signed in on a Google Chrome. So as you can see, in my case, I have already signed in to the roblox.com. And once you signed in, you have to click on this horizontal icon over here and navigate to the connect. Now from here you can see we have various options like connections, following, followers and request. So in my case, I don't have any friends on this particular account. So if you wanted to unfriend someone, just go to the connections and you'll be able to find some profile who are your friend. So select the respective profile. Then you'll be having an option to remove them. Just click on remove so that it will be removed. This is how we can do this, and I hope this quick video is helpful. And if you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell icon for more notification. That's it. Bye bye.